Dear student, very good morning to all of you. This is our class MSc final year in Organic Special, paper 7th B, unit 1st. Today is our discussed on dipole moments of excited states. Excited states often that have equilibrium geometries rather than ground state geometry. For example, acetylene have linear geometry in ground state S0 but bent in geometry in excited state S1. Here you see that this structure is S0, that is the acetylene. After using H nu, it convert into a bent structure, that is S1. This is structure is like shape is bent. This is the excited state. Similarly, formaldehyde is planar in ground state. This is the formaldehyde planar, and in the excited state is also a pyramidal structure. Formaldehyde goes to excited state bent structure by ultraviolet H nu photon. Measurement of dipole moment also indicates that geometry changes in excited state dipole moment mu is 2.3 dBi. Here capital D is denoted to dBi. For formaldehyde is ground state and is the 1.5 dBi is the first excited state, that is the S1. Here you see that the S1 is the first excited state. Acid base strength. Acid base strength. Electronic distribution in excited states is very often different from ground states, that is the acidic or basic character developments in them or undergoes a change. For instance, dissociation constant of the phenol is different in ground state and excited state. This difference can be detected easily in few cases due to the fact that fluorescence from phenol occur at different wavelength than corresponding phenoxidine. If light is absorbed by some phenol and excited state is strong, acid dissociation occurs and phenoxide fluorescence is visible. Through adjustment of pH, dissociation constant of excited state can be measured. Dissociation constant of the few phenol, carboxylic acid and amines are shown in following. First is you say that the phenol compound is phenol, second is the carboxylic acid, third is the amine. All are the aromatic compounds. S0 that is the ground state and S1 is the first excited state, T is the triplet, S1 is the singlet. Here you see that in alcoholic, that is the phenolic S1 is 9.5, S0 is 90.5, 9.5, S1 is 3.0 and T1 is 8.1. And in carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid, that is the S0 is 4.2 and S1 is a 6.6 and T1 is a 4.0. And aromatic amine, that is the S0 ground state is 4.1 and S1 is minus 2.0 and T1 is the 3.0. That is the value of the pKa. That is the value for the acid. You can see here that the more acidic is the phenoxide, that is the S0 is 94.5, more acidic in the ground state. There are changes in the pKa between S0 ground state to first excited state which indicate major changes in electron densities. The pKa of triplet state are more closer to ground state. Triplet state of the cyclohexane and cycloheptanes which do not undergo cis-trans isomerization protonated easily, that is they are slightly basic. Very weak acid like methanol protonate them. Sensitized irradiation of cyclic alkenes in methanol provides useful synthetic method for the ether. Here you see that the compounds methyl cyclohexene react with dimethyl benzene and to form the compounds. After that, methyl alcohol react methyl alcohol and cyclohexane compound. Interfinitely of carbonium ion is indicated by the fact that typical carbonium ion rearrangement have been observed in appropriate cases. That is example of this. This is the compounds sensitized by methyl alcohol and HNO, and to form this compound, that is the double bond convert into single bond. After that, this reaction remove minus H plus and to form these compounds. Now we discuss on reactivity. Photochemical reaction take place through the immediate intermediary of radicals, mono or diradical, which are highly reactive and bring about a number of photochemical reactions. Few categories of photochemical reactions are discussed below, that is the photooxidation, photoreduction, photochemical aromatic substitution, photochemical fragmentation, photochemical cyclization, photoaddition, and last is one cis trans isomerization. At first we discuss on photooxidation. This is the reaction of oxidation via photon, via light. Photochemical oxidation may produce peroxy compound. First peroxy compound, and second is the oxidative coupling of aromatic compounds. At first, photochemical oxidation in peroxy compound. Peroxy compound can be obtained by the irradiation of parent organic compound in presence of oxygen and sensitizer. Sensitizer produced its triplet state through irradiation, which either abstract a H atom from substrate to give radical followed by reaction with oxygen or activated as oxygen molecule. That is the we discuss on A, oxidation of secondary alcohol to give the hydroxy peroxide in presence of benzophenone sensitizer. Here you see that the alcohol react with a triplet benzophenone, and to form these compounds convert into two free radical, and free radical are react with oxygen to form this compound. The free radical propagated the chain reaction. We already know that free radicals propagated the chain reaction. This is the second step of this reaction. This is the radical react with the R2CHOH, then prepare these compounds. After that, these compounds oxidize and prepare this compound. Here is also convert into the free radical. The hydroperoxide eliminate H2O2 hydrogen peroxide to yield carbonyl compound. Here you see that the carbonyl compound and H2O2. Second point, in the sensitizers activities O2 by interacting with triplet oxygen molecule, that is the ground state of oxygen. The singlet oxygen O2 is produced excited state of O2, and sensitizer returns of ground state S0 1 oxygen directly react with organic substrate. This is the reaction. Benzene diene compounds, cyclohexadiene react with O2 and to form this compound, peroxy compound. This reaction is known as the Diels-Alder type reaction. Oxidative coupling of aromatic compound. Cis or trans still win in absence of oxygen gives equilibrium mixture of two, but in presence of oxygen phenanthrene is obtained. Here you say that diphenylalkene react in presence of light to form this compound. After that convert into this compound and at least to prepare a phenanthrene. This is phenanthrene. Now second topic we discuss on photo reduction. This is also an important compound for the photochemistry. Carbonyl compounds give 1,2-diol and alcohol upon irradiation in presence of hydrogen donating compounds. During the reaction, triplet state of carbonyl compound is involved which abstract hydrogen atom from hydrogen donating compounds. Here you see that the ketone, like as ketone, in presence of light convert into free radical. Carbon and oxygen having 1 electrons, this is known as the free radical. After this free radical react with alkane to form hydroxy free radical and alkyl. The radical first is combined to give diol. This is the first radical or alcoholic free first radical to give diol. This is the reaction number first or radical number first. Abstract H atom to form from solvent. This is to convert into R2CHOH. Reaction second is favored of R dash. Radical is stabilized, that is the case of tertiary radical, but reaction first, that is the coupling reaction, occurs if R alkyl group has stabilizing group like alkyl group. Orthoalkyl substituted aromatic ketones undergoes intramolecular hydrogen abstraction to yield enol tautomer. Enol and keto, two are tautomers. Here you see that the triplet state after transfer of hydrogen and spin inversion triplet convert into this alcoholic compound. This is also a triplet. The enol convert into keto is convert into enol by hydrogen transfer. This is the photo reduction. Dear students, please prepare your notes by the help of the PDF and write your assignments after learn the topic, not copyright, because your exam is on the according to time. So you are complete study in your home. Follow advisory of central and state government of corona. Use SMS, 3-word SMS. Anytime you use 3-word SMS, here denote S is social distance, M is mask and S is sanitizer. Okay, thank you so much.